I've spent 30 years creating for many of the biggest brands on the planet. Nike, Marvel, Nintendo. But at some point I realized I was helping billion-dollar companies tell their stories, and I wanted to help kids tell their stories instead.
I'd absolutely recommend the workshop to other parents. It's not very often that we get a chance to just sit in a room, no distractions, no phones, no screens, and just spend that one-on-one time with our child. There was even a period of time where we spent 5-10 minutes just colouring, so that was a nice part of the workshop.
I've created a lot of characters over the years, and now I'm helping kids to create the most important one, themselves.
And it's really worth it to spend time with your child, with the children, and make their better future.